and Jollibee Masinare, lesson math 2. Without further ado, let's start our discussion. So I'll discuss first the simple interest. So I have here a problem. So Shanika wants to earn 5,000 in simple interest from an investment over 5 years. The investment account offers an annual interest rate of 4%. So how much principal amount should Shanika invest to achieve her goal? So to know the principal or to solve this problem, we use the GRS method, which the G stands for given, R for required, and S for due. Let's identify first the given. So I stands for interest, which is the 5,000, and rate is 4% or 0.4, and for time is 5% in years. So for R is that for required P, we need to find the principal interest that Shanika should invest. So for the solution, I have a formula here. So first thing to do is to plug or substitute the values to formula. So principal, it was interest which is 5,000 over rate of 0.4 and 5.5. So after this, we're going to simplify it. So principal was 5,000 over, so to simplify it, we have rate multiplied 2 times. So 0.4 times 5 equals 0.2. So to get the answer, we need to calculate it. So principal equals to 5,000 divided to the answer of the multiplied earlier, the rate multiplied 2 times. So 5,000 divided 0.2 equals 25,000. So 25,000. So Shanika should invest principal amount of 25,000 pesos.
For our compound interest for the example, Jollibee invests 2,000 pesos That's all. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. I hope you learned from this discussion. Have a good day. Bye!